It is time for another beach adventure with Chris from Luleå, Norrbotten, North Sweden. This is Gültzauuddens Badplats, as it is called, and we can see even the name over here. Gültzauudden. And it is completely empty. The third beach that I'm going to, that is completely empty, which is reasonable as it is only 12 degrees Celsius in the air. And I'm gonna check how much it is in the sea, or this is a river connected to the sea. Unclear, I need to do more research. It is 7 p.m. and it's still bright because the sunset will be at midnight, but because of the clouds it's not as sunny as I hope it would be with the beautiful sunset, but it is what it is. 12 degrees Celsius in the air, light rain that just had just started, and I now have 24 and a half hours until my flight departs to Stockholm tomorrow. And I've already been to three of the beaches that were on my to-do list, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for the rest of my time. But so far, I'm going to enjoy now and measure the temperature in the water to see how much it is before we go in. Now, I was in a smaller lake earlier, like 1.5 hours ago. It was 15 degrees there, and in the sea, which is at not so far away from here, well, maybe 5 kilometers closer to the airport at Elf. I'm not sure of the name now, I forgot the name, but it was there 14 degrees Celsius, the nudist beach there that there is. And this is Gültzauudden, and the previous lake that I was Shorn lake. And here we have the same 14 degrees as the nudist beach that I visited earlier, so it is the same water. That is. All right, let me just quickly check the name of that so I don't misguide you. So this is Gültzauudden. Previously I visited the smaller lake Trolltjärns and Lulviksbadet I started off today with, just 2 kilometers from the airport, and then I was walking all the way from Lulviksbadet to get here, and the center is just 1 kilometer away from here or something, which I'm going to head next. There are no beaches there in the center. This is, I think, the closest one. And yeah, let's enjoy a nice swim in the sea while the wind is not so heavy, which makes it easier for me to dry when I get out of the water. It looks lovely indeed. Beautiful nature in North Sweden, and I'm so happy that I came here despite the forecast not being the best for me to fully enjoy these adventures, but at least I am dealing with this in the best possible way, for sure. All right, so what else? I'm not sure what I'm gonna do next in the next 24 hours, as I have visited the three beaches that I wanted to, so I'm gonna try to find some more, and tomorrow we might be gonna have some sunlight towards my departure to Stockholm in the last few hours, so I might go to the nudist beach once again to capture another vlog from that, as usually those type of beaches get more views on my channel, so that's how it should be. Okay, chilly, but let's go in for a dip at Gültzauuddens Badplats. It's not that deep actually, but here we go. It's nice. It's nice indeed. Ah. Look at that view. It's wonderful. I need actually to do such adventures more often to other cities of Sweden. So I might book another trip like this to another city, or maybe in Scandinavia. I want to go again to Copenhagen. It's been quite a long time since I was there. I have been on a work trip 2 times, but that wasn't much exploring. But I was there for 3 or 4 days in 2014 with my college friends. So we were visiting another college friend that was staying in Copenhagen, and then we bought the pass, the city pass, which gives you access to all of the museums and free public transport, and we went to all of them. So I'm not gonna do that now, but I'm gonna do the beach adventures. We have been to one beach back then, but it was the time where I didn't do beach adventures. So yeah. Anyway, let's get back to Luleå, and thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Gültzauuddens Badplats here from Luleå, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.